It was nighttime, and Ajay was alone in his village house. There was silence all around. He was engrossed in reading his book. Suddenly, he heard a strange sound, as if someone had softly knocked on the door. Ajay thought that it might be the wind, but then the same sound was heard again, this time louder. Ajay gathered his courage and walked towards the door. As soon as he opened the door, he saw no one. He came back and started reading his book again. After a while, he heard another strange sound, as if someone was walking inside his house. His heart began to beat faster. Ajay thought he might be imagining it, but then he saw a shadow slowly approaching his room. Ajay, trembling, asked, "Who's there?" There was no answer. The shadow came closer. Ajay picked up his torch and shone it towards the shadow. The shadow suddenly disappeared. Ajay thought he should leave the house now. He quickly moved towards the door, but the door closed by itself. He turned back in fear and saw that the same shadow was standing in front of him again. This time the shadow was clearly of a man. Ajay, trembling, asked, "Who are you? What are you doing here?" The shadow, in a low voice, replied, "I am the one you forgot. I am the one you left alone in this house." Ajay suddenly remembered that this was the same house where his old friend Ravi had gone missing. He realized that it was Ravi's spirit, who had now come for revenge. Ajay, apologizing, said, "Ravi, please forgive me, I can't forget you." The shadow slowly disappeared, but the fear remained in Ajay's heart forever. The next morning, Ajay left that house forever and never returned. The story ends here, but the strange sounds from that house remain a topic of discussion in the village even today. Enjoy this video, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more.